Welcome to Asset Plant Machinery. Today we're going to overview our new Steelmaster VB400. That's a vertical bandsaw, 400mm capacity or 400mm depth, and we're going to run through some of the features that are included on this particular model. As mentioned, it's a vertical bandsaw and it comes with an onboard blade maintenance device here in which you can maintain any broken blades and repair those yourself in a simple operation. What you do is you have a little guillotine there, so you square the ends off on the blade and put that in our little weld timer there, and you can butt weld your blades back together. Also has a little onboard grinder as well. Now the machine itself is simple in operation. We have the on and off operation console there to activate the machine. It actually has a variable speed drive there on this one here, so you can vary that via that. It has a blade tensioning device, as you can see, under the head, and this is also adjustable. We can adjust that up and down to suit your material being cut. It also has a pneumatic swarf blowing system mounted there, made in Taiwan, very good quality. The table actually tilts, so you can tilt your table subject to your cutting application, and it has a work light there on the other side. But overall, just a good quality machine, and Asset Plant Machinery sell these and service these models here, the vertical bandsaws, in a 360, a 400 and also a 500 model. So jump onto assetplant.com or call Asset Plant Direct and we'd be pleased to help you. Thanks very much.